Hi everyone, welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using Plaxis 2D. This is tutorial number 10, Slope Stability Analysis of sandy soil using Plaxis 2D. This is going to be our example in this lecture. As you can see, the slope geometry is similar to the previous lecture except the slope gradient, the slope angle. The slope is 1.5 horizontal to 1 vertical, so the slope is different from the previous lecture. And the soil we assume is a sandy soil, and we will define this soil using a Mohr-Coulomb constitutive model. It's MC, the symbol of the Mohr-Coulomb constitutive model. So in this lecture we will define this soil geometry using a soil polygon. If you remember, in previous lectures when we create the geometry of this soil or slope, we used 3 boreholes to model these slopes, but we have an alternative way or alternative method in Plaxis. We can model or create this soil geometry using a soil polygon. Also, we will estimate the factor of safety as a previous lecture using the strength reduction method, and we will identify the potential failure, the critical failure surface for this slope, and also we will explain the deformation menu in detail. So this is a deformation menu in Plaxis output results. As we can see, we have many parameters here, such as deformation menu, deformed mesh, total displacement in x and y direction, some phase displacement, incremental displacement, total Cartesian strain, phase strain, or incremental Cartesian strain. Also, we have a total strain, phase, and incremental strain. So in this lecture we will talk about all of these results in detail. So first of all, let us create the geometry of the slope, and first let me copy this title and open the Plaxis 2D software, and we start by starting a new project. I will paste the title in here and click on model, and this one will be 45. As you can see, the length of the soil geometry is 45 meters, and the maximum depth of the soil is 20 meters. So in Y max we set this one to 20 meters. So we click OK. So as I mentioned before, we will create the soil geometry using a soil polygon. That's why we proceed to structure. So we will create the soil geometry using this soil polygon, create a soil polygon. So I click it and start by 0 at 0, x coordinate, and in here we have y 10 meters, as we can see, and x direction is 15 meters to reach the toe of the slope. So this one is 15 meters. And here also we have another 15 meters because the height of the slope is 10 meters and horizontal is 1.5, vertical 1. So this point will be 30 meters in x direction and 20 in y direction. So it's like this one, 30 in x direction and 20 meters in y direction. Also, this one is 45 meters, and this one will be 45 in x direction and 0 in y direction, and right click. So right now the geometry of the slope is created, and we can start by defining the swell parameter. So this can also be checked easily by clicking on Deformation, Incremental Strain, as you can see in here. This is also gives us the identification for the failure surface for the slope. So this was for this lecture. I hope it was clear and useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.